Hello and welcome to another video from my random hobbies, and today we're going to be replacing a bulb in our rear light of our Fiesta. Okay, so when you come to replacing bulbs on your car lights, often they're quite difficult to do, hard to get into, if not impossible for some. So the manual that comes with the Fiesta is actually not too bad as a guide for getting this done on the rear lights. I've not tried a headlight yet, but the rear lights certainly it's fairly okay. It takes you through step by step, and providing you sort of understand those notations and the little diagrams, you're okay. Also comes with a little chart that tells you what type of bulb you'll be getting. And for the rear brake light, it's a dual bulb, and I don't know if you can pick that up in there. There are two elements. It's a dual element, which means that it acts as a brake light, but also as a sort of a running light, if you like, on the back as well. So it has two purposes. Now, getting into it, there are two screws that you need to get into, and again, if you are average Joe Blogs with a screwdriver or a spanner or a hammer in your toolbox, you may not be able to do this, and I'll show you why. Okay, so you are required to remove two screws that look a little bit like this, and what you might be able to see from there is that they are star shaped. It's not a regular shaped screwdriver hole, and that's a Torx screwdriver bit you will need, which is why I say some people will not have that tool bit. You can see it's star shaped. So if you don't have one of those, you can pick them up cheap off eBay or Amazon, but you will need one of those. So you can see we have two screws, one at the top and one at the bottom, and I'm just going to undo those and take those out. Make sure you put it somewhere safe. Go. And once out, this light is still not going anywhere. Okay, so we need to do something else inside here, so we're going to have a look at that now. Okay, so this is the inside pocket of the inside carpet bit of the car behind the headlight, and we're going to have to pull this forward and out of the way. So this can be tricky to do, but you just need to lever up the rubber seal and pull the carpet away, and actually it should, in theory, just pull out. This bit here, I've seen some people on YouTube say you need to undo that screw. It's not going anywhere even if you undo it. There's a little give to pull that carpet out a little bit more, and then there's a molded bit here, molded bit of carpet. You can actually invert that and push that forward a bit just to give you a little bit more room. So now you've got access to the rear of the light, and what I'm going to try and do now is show you what we're looking at inside there. Okay, so up behind there you've got a clip that connects all the electrics together. You can see that that's the grey bit at the bottom, and then the top bit, that is actually a sort of wing nut screw that you can grab and undo, and that's what's holding the light in. You can see the metal bit sticking out the middle. That's the screw thread. So I'm going to try with this in place, if I can get my hand in there. It might be a bit awkward. Now I'm going to have to go without showing you specifically, but that's what we're aiming for. Okay, so I've now got that off. What I need to do now is pull this light away from the car, and it should just pull away nicely. Okay, so we need to undo this plastic clip here, and there is just a little push bit there, and it should just pull out nicely like that, and that frees up our headlamp, and we can then change the bulb. So looking at it, it's this top bulb we're changing. and that should just twist and open up, and there's the bulb. And again, the bulb is a twist, and then you can place the new bulb in, and then you slot it back in and twist it on, and then just put everything back in the same order that you undid it. It's as simple as that. So we have to clip this back into here, and then we simply place it back on. For placement, you will notice that there are two sort of bits that stick out that align with holes here. So those need to be placed in first and then pushed in. There we go. And then we just have to screw that back on inside, and we're done. Okay, there we have it. One bulb replaced. Hopefully some of you found that useful. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for another video. Take care for now. Bye bye.